Okay, so first thing first, we gotta do some measuring. Seeing as how I know that I don't have enough angle iron right here, basically I don't have enough to do both sides of the toolbox and extend out far enough for this tubing. So basically then what I'm going to do is cut this angle iron into some equal lengths, probably 4 of them about 6 inches long, and then I will start getting around to putting the box portions of it together. Things that you're going to need in order to do this: clearly the angle iron, the box steel, so a nice DeWalt chop saw works. Need the aluminum toolbox, a welding machine that's capable, and probably the one thing that might be most important to have it might be missing, I don't know, is a welder that's capable of doing the job. But I will try my best, and I will try to keep you informed of everything that I do. I will be using a Lincoln Precision TIG 225 for welding this out with stick, and if I choose otherwise, my other option would be my Lincoln 140C and just use the wire welder. But let's just kind of get down to business here and start cutting some steel and measuring things. Measure, cut, measure twice, cut, yeah, and then weld. All right, thank you. Okay, so seeing as how I still treasure my ears, this is what I use. I like to keep some earmuffs around. That way I can... It's easier to go on and off with earmuffs than it is to go on and off with, or in and out with earplugs. But either way, both are good choices. This is another invaluable tool. Helps you just sit here and test this, and then you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to wrestle with anything. So something else that I will do is basically I'm going to grab a file and take out all of these little burrs, because it has been my experience that they will cut you the worst. So that's going to be one of my other safety tips in this video. File those burrs down, grind them, I don't care what you do, just get rid of those burrs because they will cut you really bad. So, and yes, I'm always using some sort of glove. Well, I ain't gonna lie to you, not always, but most of the time I'm wearing some sort of gloves. But burrs, they come off really easy. Just use the edge of the file, run down it, just like that. And that's the majority of the burr right there.